So I have two very exciting things that are going to be happening today, but I have to make an announcement. Nothing very serious, but I have decided to do a few videos in Hindi and English. I am not very good with Hindi, so I can't do full-fledged Hindi, but I'm gonna try doing Hindi-English videos. Also, some of y'all have commented below and asked me to make videos in Hindi, so I said, why not? I'm also thinking of starting another Hindi channel, so you guys just help me out. Let me know if you want another Hindi channel where you want videos and content in Hindi. Please put that in the comment section below. It'll really help me out. And now the second thing is, so I've been wanting to get eyelash extensions for the longest time, because I'm sure you guys know, you've seen my lashes. I've always had mascara, but when I don't have mascara on, it's like super straight and super fine. So I'm going to be getting it done from Nova Lash. Now I think Nova Lash is very famous in Delhi. They have come to Bandra just very recently. I'm super excited to get my lashes done because apparently they're like the best in the market. So yes, exciting day ahead, and I'm going to be vlogging. After this, I'm gonna have a beautifully long, curvy eyelashes. Yeah. So Preet here is going to be doing my eyelashes. I just wanted to ask him कि how are we going to start? So how are we going to start with?
मैम ये आपका 1.5 आवर का प्रोसीजर है एंड इसमें आपकी लैशेस लगा देते हैं हम, सिंगल लैशेस भी लगाते हैं, डबल आपका जो हो रहा है वो अमेरिकन वॉल्यूम लैश है एंड ये 3 लैशेस का फैन बन के लगे आपकी लैशेस में एंड इसमें आपको 15% एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ मिल जाएगी, थिकनेस मिल जाएगी आपको अच्छी खासी एंड आपको अच्छा लुक मिल जाएगा मस्कारा से मच बेटर।
So these were my lashes before I did the treatment. And this is the American full volume set that is going to be applied to my lashes. So before he started, he sanitized his hands properly. And then here you can actually see how fine and straight my actual real eyelashes are. So the basic process is that he would actually fan 3 of these lashes and attach that to my actual individual lash. So each individual lash of mine will have 3 of these eyelashes attached to it. This process is very easy, it does not hurt at all. Even when he was applying the individual lashes on my lashes, I couldn't feel it at all. So don't worry, it's not going to hurt you, your eyes are not going to burn, it's a very safe process. The entire procedure takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours. There is no discomfort at all. You're lying on your back, so you can also fall asleep at this point. And you can actually see such a major difference from the before and after. My eyelashes look so much thicker and so much longer. And after the process was done, he just airbrushed it. And the last step was to separate all the lashes. These are my lashes. I love them. I really love them. So this is Neha. She is the store manager in the Bandra outlet. Now Nova Lash, they're actually experts in eyelash and eyelash extensions and your nail extensions. I always wanted to get it done from them, but they were in Delhi, but they have finally come to Bombay. So the store in Bombay is in Bandra. I'm going to leave the number, the links, the address, everything in the description box. So I just wanna like talk to Neha about and tell you guys the process, the aftercare, who can do it. So yes, let's ask Neha. So Neha, who can do these eyelash extensions?
So anybody and everybody can do these eyelash extension, even if it's a young millennial or somebody who's in their 40s, 50s, 60s, anybody can do them because doing eyelashes takes off like almost 5 to 10 years off your face.
Yeah.
So anybody can.
Now we'll briefly talk about the process of the eyelash extensions.
So basically what we do when we do extension is that we use synthetic fiber lashes. We coat them with glue and then we make a fan of these lashes and put them on your natural, individual natural eyelash, which is with the technique of separation. And then we dry them and then you have lovely lashes on.
So I did the American volume eyelash extensions, which costs at about
7,850. When you come back for a refill, it will cost you 4,780.
Yeah.
But our other services start from 2,950, the most basic classic lashes,
Yes.
and then the prices go up.
So the basic classic eyelashes give you a wet mascara look. So if you're somebody who has good eyelashes and you don't want to wear mascara every day, you can go for that. But if somebody like me who has no eyelashes, you can go in for the mink.
You could go for classic, you could go for new volume, you could go for minks or even American volume, but then you can decide on the density, the kind of look that you want.
Now let's talk about the aftercare.
So in the aftercare, you only have to be careful about no using mascara because you don't need mascara, and you have to be very careful when you use a makeup remover. Try and use something that doesn't have glycol.
Yes.
So for the same reason, we also have our own makeup remover pads, which is called Clean Lash, and you can use them. And they also have pomegranate seed oil. They have hyaluronic acid, so you can also use them as a treatment at the same time.
Another very important thing we want to talk about is that where can you get professional Nova eyelash extensions done?
So yes, you can get your Nova Lash eyelash extensions done at Delhi, which are our 3 stores in Noida. We have one at Lajpat and we have one in Select City Walk. And in Bombay, you can only come to Bandra store.
On Waterfield Road.
Yes. And anybody who claims that they've been working at Nova Lash and they're doing extension outside, we recommend that you do not fall into such traps. Come to our store and get the best service possible.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I will leave details of the address, their numbers, the pricing, the details about my eyelashes, everything in the description box, so check it out. I love my eyelashes and you guys should definitely give it a shot. This is the first time I got it done and I totally love it. Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much. And thank you, Nova Lash. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Please hit on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.